Hey everyone, if you're creating a report, assignment, or any multi-page document, page numbers make everything easier to organize. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add, customize, and remove page numbers in Microsoft Word, so let's dive in. Start by opening Microsoft Word and opening the document where you want to add page numbers. If you're creating a new document, you can also add page numbers before you begin writing. Next, click the Insert tab, then select Page Number. You'll see several placement options, including the top of the page, bottom of the page, page margins, or the current cursor position. Choose the style that works best for your document. After inserting the page numbers, you can customize them. Double-click the header or footer area to activate editing. From there, you can change the number format, align the numbers, or start numbering from a specific page if your document requires it. If you're creating a title page, you may not want a page number on the first page. Simply enable the different first page option in the header and footer tools. The first page number disappears, while the remaining pages continue numbering automatically. If you ever need to remove page numbers, go back to Insert, select Page Number, and choose Remove Page Numbers. You can also double-click the header or footer anytime to edit the position, style, or formatting. And that's how to add and customize page numbers in Microsoft Word. It's a simple feature that makes your documents more organized and professional, especially when working with multiple pages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.